Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be unboxing these 3 new mini style push along sets that features Thomas, Percy, and Diesel. Now these just came out not that long ago. I found these at Dollar General. They're $15 each. My brother and I found them, and I'm very grateful to have them. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be doing 2 parts per unboxing for these guys. Alright, good. Let's get these 2 out of the way and start off with Quacky Cargo, which comes with a mini style push along Thomas. So here's the front of the box. Here's the side. Comes with 12 pieces. Everything you see here. The back. And the other side. Telling that it's compatible with not only this new style, but also with the original. Well, not only with these guys, but also the original all-engine scope push along engines and the motorized engines too. So I just got this tape right here. Need to do the other tape right here, and the other side too. And that's everything in the box. So let's just toss that aside. It comes with instructions as to how to build the set and what's included. How to assemble. And let's play. In this bag we got a mini style push along Thomas with a blue hopper car with buffers, a duck, and a switch. This Y-shaped switch. Some track pieces and girders. More of the stuff. Bridge pieces, tracks, and a straight track, and a few more tracks, and this bumpy track. Yeah, not much here really. So, like as I said, I'm gonna I'm gonna be doing two parts. So I'm gonna be taking all this stuff out of the plastic off camera and assemble the pieces together and see what we got. So until then, stay tuned.